Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, DIG Ludhiana Range presented a report card under Yudh Nashiyan Virudh of 3 districts of Ludhiana Range, and we are having with us SSP Ludhiana Rural, Dr. Ankur Gupta. Sir, what do you want to say about the performance of Ludhiana Rural Police?
So as you know, this war against drugs, the which has been named as Yudh Nashiyan Virudh, in Ludhiana rural also the response of the public has been tremendous, and we have registered numerous FIRs accounting to almost 120 and around 160 to 170 drug dealers. They have been caught and they are behind bars. So the response of the public is huge. We are getting a lot of tips on the WhatsApp number, which has been provided by our anti-national task force from Mohali. So we have been receiving numerous informations on these numbers also. The people are approaching themselves to the offices also. So now there is the trust which was earlier lacking. So now that trust has been bridged by this very good initiative of Honorable CM and DGP Punjab. So the response is exceptional.
Like you said that around 120 drug peddlers have been arrested in Ludhiana Rural. Do these include big fish also, or these are small or medium quantity? But
Around 3 to 4 out of these are big fish. Rest are intermediate and small quantity. Look, the first aim of this mission was to get rid of the drugs off the streets. So obviously, when you visit mohallas or streets, these are small level peddlers. So unless until we crack down on those small peddlers, the public opinion will not be in our favor. Which through this mission exactly we did. The Punjab Police did. So even though these are small peddlers, but look, the people, they are in touch with the addicts. They are in touch with these peddlers. They get the drugs from these peddlers off the streets. So the action against these peddlers, the people is they are very much appreciating of this.
how you are involving the villagers, or how you are sensitizing the villagers about this drive?
Look, we are conducting numerous Sampark meetings, which has already been the program started by our DG sir. So we have been conducting meetings with with the ward committees, with the with these panchayat committees. So these have been specifically formed for countering this drug menace, and people now are coming forward themselves. The police is also very active and going to different villages and interacting with them, taking down their opinions, working on them, and giving them the results. When you have a two-way interaction, then only the people come forward, which is why this operation, this mission has been quite successful.
It is said that when demand is controlled, the supply will automatically will reduce. So how you are going to reduce the demand of the drug consumers?
uh, as you said, this mission is has been conceptualized in a multi-pronged manner. So that is why, apart from the police action, the demand supply gap, to reduce that, to basically the police action basically falls on the supply side to reduce the demand. The role of the health authorities, it is instrumental, and police has been motivating people, the addicts who are not into peddling or smuggling. So the police has been motivating these addicts to get into the rehabilitation centers, the drug reduction centers. So the figures speak for themselves. If you compare the data of 24 March 2024 and March 2025, if we compare, there has been an enormous difference, the increase in the number of people who have gone to these centers. It has almost been 200% increase. It has doubled. The numbers are doubled. So this clearly is the impact of this Yudh Nasha Virudh.
So, and how you see that how much more time it will be required to eradicate the drug menace from the state?
So we, the Punjab Police, the Ludhiana Rural Police, is committed in this endeavor of having a completely drug-free society, and we need the people's support, and we are duty bound to eradicate this menace. Thank you.
So we are having with us SSP Khanna Jyoti Yadav. Ma'am, how you see the performance under Yudh Nasha Virudh of Khanna Police?
Khanna Police has seen some achievements under this mission in past 1.5 month, and I joined Khanna on 22nd of February. And I think on 23rd February onward itself, we started working on this mission, and so far we have registered total 71 cases under NDPS Act, in which we have arrested I think around 170 people. So because yesterday's figure was yet to be included in this, so around 170 people have been arrested. And since we get information from public through various sources, some people text me on my personal number through WhatsApp. They use social media accounts as well, and then we have an ANTF tip line, so we get information from public, and we try to act on it proactively, so that credibility also is built when it comes to proactive policing. On acting on such information, we have arrested so many people, and other than that, we have sent around 33 people to de-addiction centers, and 17 people have given a written guarantee along with their panchayat members that they are no more indulged in drug peddling, and they will become part of the mainstream society.
As CM Bhagwant Singh Mann has launched a helpline number in which residents can file their complaint. So, how much response you are getting on that helpline number?
Every day we get 2 or 3 such informations, and we try to verify them immediately, and we take action on them. So far in Khanna we have registered 2 FIRs and arrested a couple of people through that information. And since the information sometimes come, if somebody is consuming drug in front of them, and then they give us the information, by the time police reaches there, there's nobody, but we make a list of such tips also, and then we keep on working on them. We have prepared 3 lists. One is from the ANTF, that is the Anti-Narcotic Task Force, that is that's a special force from a special task force at Punjab level. Other than that, we have district level list, which it has been sourced from either our secret sources or public information. And third thing is such tip line related information.
Are villagers joining you or coming in support of the Punjab police, or how you are sensitizing them?
In Khanna there are 480 villages and wards, and so far we've covered around 415 of them during our Sampark meetings. And out of these 415, 400 villages have passed resolutions favoring the mission Yudh Nasha Virudh, and many of them have also taken an oath standing in the gurdwaras. So people are very serious about this mission, just like Punjab Police is.
How much time you think it is required to eradicate drug menace from the state?
So I want to share this thing with you that since Punjab Police is very active, and the crackdown has been, I think, immense. So some of the so-called hotspot of drugs in our area have become clear of drug peddling. And these days, when we go to such places, houses are locked. There are locks on the doors, and people have, run away from their houses. They might return, but our surveillance is there, so we will catch them, catch the remaining ones, and we are, fully committed to clear our area from every sort of crime, including the drug peddling.
How you are making ensure that the drug consumers, they are not consuming the drugs again?
So far we have sent 33 people to de-addiction centers, and under 64A section of NDPS Act. And other than that, we keep on taking these meetings in the villages, and we keep on sensitizing people about the ill effects of drugs. Along with that, I think young age group is people who are in school, so they are in their formative years, and the brain is still in the developmental stage. So we try to catch them young, and we sensitize them in their own language, in a simple language, about the ill effects of drugs, and so that they don't even think of trying it once. So that is how our entire mission is going on.
What are your further plans to nab the big fishes?
So we have been working on all the backward linkages of all the drugs that has come in Khanna, and along with that, we use our technical. We have activated our technical units. So through technical investigation, I think we will be able to catch the big fishes. And Khanna being a very central sort of a district, it is more of a transit route for the drug peddlers. So here, drug is not generally found in huge amount in first instance. But when we work on the backward trail of the drugs, it is then when we get the commercial quantity recoveries in the cases. Thank you so much.
So we are having with us DIG Ludhiana Range, Nilambri Jagdale. Ma'am, how police is working to make the state drug free?
Since 1st of March 2025, Honorable CM Punjab Shri Bhagwant Singh Maan and DGP Punjab Shri Gaurav Yadav IPS guided us to launch this effective initiative against drugs under the name of Yudh Nashya Virudh. Under this initiative, so far, Ludhiana range has registered 479 FIRs, in which 632 drug peddlers and tuskers have been arrested and put behind the bars. Around property worth around rupees 17 crore has been freezed or attached this year, and last year and this year's total attachment is worth rupees 34 crores. At the same time, we are focusing on de-addiction and rehabilitation efforts, under which we have launched a police community policing program by the name of Sampark, under which in all the villages and on all the wards, village and ward defense committees have been established. Till date in Ludhiana range, 955 meetings have been conducted between police and these committees as well as panchayats. More than 500 panchayats have taken a vow that they will not let any drug peddler enter their village, enter their ward, and they will not let anybody sell drugs in their area. So I appreciate these efforts by public at such a large level, and I appeal them and I request them to keep on sharing important information regarding drugs with police from time to time.
It is mostly seen that the drug peddlers who are arrested, they are either with small quantities or medium quantities. How you are planning to nab the big fishes?
The complete focus and emphasis of government at this time is not on the consumers of the drugs or on the small peddlers of the drugs, but the instructions are very clear to nab the big fish tuskers as well as big level peddlers. So in connection with this, so far we have arrested 12 big fish tuskers from whom commercial quantity recovery has been made, and in every case we are probing the backward linkages so that we know from which place, from which person these small quantity peddlers are buying drugs.
So how you are discouraging those who are into consuming drugs?
There is a policy of rehabilitation, de-addiction. Very clear-cut policy is there. Various government and private centers are there which help people in de-addiction and rehabilitation. So after getting encouraged by Sampark meetings with Punjab Police, 48 such people were identified who were consumers, and they were given full support in de-addiction centers and rehab centers. Till now, 42 such persons, they have left the drug consuming habit completely, and they are rehabilitated, they are pursuing their occupation.
Like there were some families here also who appreciated the Punjab police effort. So what kind of response you are getting from the entire villages of Punjab?
We are getting extremely enthusiastic response from villages as well as the urban parts of Punjab. Many panchayats and village defense committees, they have stood with police and they have taken a vow that they will help police in every possible way in order to make eradication of drugs 100% complete in Punjab.
What is your message to the drug peddlers?
Our message to drug peddlers is very clear, that we have zero tolerance policy against drugs and drug suppliers. So they must stop, they must quit this business of selling and consuming drugs completely. Otherwise, the strictest possible legal action will be taken against them. Thank you.
So we have heard to DIG Ludhiana Range, SSP Khanna as well as SSP Ludhiana Rural. So it is clear that the police is presently on toes against drug traffickers, as well as the police are even discouraging those who are into consuming drugs by admitting them to de-addiction as well as rehabilitation centers. So Punjab government is working on all angles to curb the drug menace in the state, and if such crackdown continues, we may see some relaxation from this menace. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.